I hadn't done anything to it.
All right, I'm going to roll tape on this.
Don't touch it.
Nope.
I'll check the battery just to be sure. Okay, you get technical. I'm that far
That's good.
behind my line, okay?
That's fine.
About a 16th of an inch.
I can pile drive it in however you got it. No matters.
Sure
All right.
full throttle if you do, okay?
You got Jim. Oh, obviously.
Well, let me get my phone. I want to get a picture.
All right, I got Jim's P-39. He's taking some before pictures. He seems to think I'm going to auger it into the ground, which is a distinct possibility. Let me know when you're ready there, Jim. Coming out slow for you. Got it?
Got it.
All right. Just the old hat cam here. Jim did the pre-flight, so if anything goes wrong, we're blaming it on him. Rolling out, picking up speed, little back pressure.
Say, hey, will it go up?
I was trying to get you a scale milk out.
Thanks a lot. The puddle was nice.
Right?
You can let it. Give me a raise the gear.
Yeah, I just found your switch.
Okay.
Oh, look out, sunshine. Ain't nobody over at the quad area, is there?
No.
All right, just making sure.
Nobody for snakes and people. Oh, real. I know.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I first saw this, Jim, and I had no idea it was a mid-mounted engine.
Oh yeah, the plane's got a great history with everybody else in World War II except for us, okay? Has it got enough vertical?
Yeah, well, I didn't go full on it, but
Okay.
we'll give that a try here before we run your battery down to the dirt.
Oh, you still got plenty of time. There's guys that fly that one on 2200.
All right, from a nice smooth horizontal to a vertical, and I'm going to come off of it before I lose sight. My old man eyes, Jim, I can't let it get too far away.
I can relate.
I've really been having problems with depth perception.
Yeah, I lost one the other day. It just blended into the trees and the depth and everything. It took a bounce on landing, and when I saw it bounce up, I knew I screwed up, okay? I didn't hurt it. Just my pride. Here you go.
It's tight as she goes on that setting on your elevator, which is plenty.
I'm not trying to be funny.
No, that's perfect.
Okay.
She didn't fall out left or right, either one, and looks good, man.
Last time I brought it in, it was hot. And
This has flaps, yeah?
Huh?
This has flaps?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't use them on takeoff. How much time we got?
I got to see the radio. I have no idea. 2 minutes, 8 seconds.
Left or that we've gone?
No, left. That's what
Oh,
the
okay.
transmitter says.
All right.
I'm not good enough to figure it the other way, okay?
Well, some people count up, some people count down with them.
Count down.
Yeah, it's me too. We set our radios up, it looks like with some of the same switches, although a lot of my switches are backwards from yours.
Okay. I used to set it up where I set it the way I flew it, and I flew everything on low rates. Now it's all messed up. In other words, if I pulled it to me, it was low rates.
Right.
But I've changed that up, so I've just kept it. But if I change one airplane, I got to change them all. You know what
Yeah, I try to keep all mine set up exactly the same as well.
I can't figure out, okay, hey, today I'm in this plane now. How did I set the thing up? That's just a...
Yep, that's me too. I always forget. Well, this is a fun little flyer, Jim.
It really is.
I flew this once before, I recall, but I don't think I wrung it out at all.
Well,
since it was fairly new to
I
you.
rung it out a whole lot on the first flight. It was just so easy to fly. Remember?
Yeah, yeah.
And usually I don't do that. It's just 8s and keep it level and turns and stuff like that. And I got up there and I was so comfortable with it. I go, hey, this thing flies like the CJ.
So
You know?
the low wing, pretty much you got to keep the altitude, the speed.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah. You wanna, when you come in for a landing, is about the only time you
That turn
come
right
below.
there. Yeah, you got to keep your speed up. If you don't, it will tip stall.
So just like that Stinson.
But this thing, yeah, it comes in so smooth.
Yeah. Well,
Time to start. 20 seconds.
that's where you lose it.
Yeah, that's where I've lost it before, right there.
Time
Whoa,
to
I'm
start.
gonna go around.
You're okay, you're okay.
I'm gonna go around.
10,
Thought it was still in the rough.
One time I set it in over there too.
On this one?
Yeah. No, I was just too far over. I got in the rough.
3,
It didn't hurt it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was doing slow enough. It just grabbed it and it just settled down. Yeah, I think you're out of the rough there. Not much. Keep coming this way. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. You hit the mains first. That's the trick.
Yeah, I think this would definitely benefit from some flaps on the landing.
Well, it's got flaps. I just
Well, I didn't want to try it on the landing since I didn't fly with them on. I didn't know what it was going to make it do.
time to start. Time to start.
All right, kill switch is on.
it.
22 over.
Well, you need to get to it. Kill the 22 for the battery.
No, it's 22 over.
Over. Oh,
Yeah.
I charged for that.
22 seconds over. All right, Jim, I appreciate it, man.
The transmitter. I'll carry the airplane.
I appreciate it. That's a nice little flight.
You'll have yours, what, Monday or Tuesday out here?
Well, I was figuring I'd wreck yours and I'd get it. Discounted price, you know.
But really, I didn't need any trim in it. And
Right.
They said something about halfway through the flight. I said, I checked out and said, they don't need it.
All right, well, thanks, Jim.
Throttle off.
Yeah, throttle's off.
I had to go down.